Hello peachies! Welcome back to Dear Peachie. Today, we have something truly special for you, a makeup tutorial inspired by the delicate and enchanting light pink orchid flower. This look is all about achieving a light, airy, and effortlessly elegant pink makeup perfect for everyday wear. It's especially suitable for those who have lower visual weight features or prefer a subtle makeup look. In this video, we've discovered the emerging beauty sensation on XiaoHongShu, the talented beauty guru named Ai Cai. Today, she's here to guide you through the steps to achieve a stunning makeup look that has been turning heads on her profile. With an impressive 20,000 followers and counting, she has become a rising star in the beauty community. Her latest makeup tutorial has taken the spotlight, amassing a whopping 150,000 views. If you're a fan of subtle yet impactful makeup, particularly inspired by the Korean beauty trend, Ai Cai is the beauty guru you don't want to miss. Let's dive into her look. To begin, Ai Cai addresses hyperpigmentation concerns like dark eye circles. Utilizing a peach tone concealer, she applies it under her eyes, seamlessly patting it out for an even finish. Once the concealer sets, she moves on to the next step, the foundation. Applying it strategically on the inner center of her cheeks, forehead, nose bridge, and chin. She then pats out the foundation using a cushion puff. Taking the art of contouring to the next level, Ai Cai applies liquid matte highlighter on the tear grooves, smiling lines, and the T-zone area of her forehead and nose bridge. The key is to delicately dab it out, seamlessly blending the highlighter into the foundation for a naturally dimensional effect. Moving on to the main attraction, the blushes. Ai Cai uses light pink cream blushes that effortlessly emulate a natural flush. With their creamy and hydrating formula, this blush gives a dewy finish to her skin. Ai Cai gently applies the blush to her cheeks, nose tip, chin, upper eyelid, and the under eye area, known as XiaoHongShu. Using a cushion puff, she blends the blush seamlessly, creating a natural and flush look. For those aiming for a less subtle appearance, you might need to go with a lighter hand with the blush application. This blush application is able to reduce the blankness in between your facial features, which is a common concern faced by low visual weight beauties, as they sometimes find their face looking dimensionless. Adding a clever touch to the lips, Ai Cai demonstrates how the blush can be applied to the cupid's bow, creating the illusion of fuller lips. By gently patting it along the lip line, she not only enhances the lips but also synchronizes the lip color with the overall tones used in the makeup look. Next, set these products into your base by a setting spray. To complement this enchanting pinkish look, Ai Cai recommends opting for a fluffy brow. The ideal product for achieving this is brow powder, as it seamlessly fills in any blank spots in your brows and elongates their shape. Moving on to contouring, Ai Cai suggests a subtle application in a U-shape along the sides of the nose tip. Extend the shadow towards the roots from the inner corner of the eyes to the brow bone, creating a refined and natural contour. To enhance the pouty lip effect, a touch of contour is delicately added to the lower lip, mimicking the natural shadow for a subtle look. Using a flat detail brush, Ai Cai applies a dark brown eyeshadow along her upper lash line, adding depth to her eyes and creating a fuller lash line. This step is repeated on the outer half of her lower lash line, elongating her eyes. To accentuate the XiaoHongShu area, Ai Cai emphasizes it with contour and highlights it with a shimmery highlighter gel pencil. This crucial step widens the eye shape, contributing to the overall allure of the makeup. Now, onto one of the essential elements in achieving this look, the individual falsies. She opts for the fishtail type, imparting her eyes with a natural, wispy, and long lash appearance. This choice is particularly ideal for those with smaller eye shapes, as the airy quality avoids overpowering the eyes. In harmony with the natural flush look, Ai Cai selects a subtle muted rose-colored lip gloss for the final touch. For that extra pop and to open up her eyes, she applies a shimmery highlighter to her inner corner. This strategic touch not only adds a luminous quality but also creates the illusion of wider, more awakened eyes. Now that the makeup look is complete, there's more. Ai Cai is ready to show you how to create a chic side bun hairstyle. To achieve Ai Cai's effortlessly chic side bun, start by parting your front hairline into a 3:7 ratio, placing the longer section on the side you prefer or to balance facial asymmetry. Gather your hair into a side ponytail, position behind the ears on the 3 side, then loosen the hair on top of your head for added height. And pull out a few strands for a laid-back feel. Secure the ponytail with a thicker elastic band. Then, gently pull the hair on top of the cranial again. Twist and roll the ponytail into a bun, leaving the ends free for a relaxed look. Use a smaller elastic band to secure the bun and fasten it with a U-shaped hairpin. Pulling out a few strands for texture. Curling the ends, including the bangs, with a curling wand for a gentle touch. Complete the style by pinning an orchid flower hair clip to the side of the bun, adding a delightful finishing flourish. And the look is complete. Enjoy the simplicity and charm of this casually elegant light dewy pink look with an effortless side bun. What do y'all think? We are thinking that this look looks perfect on a vacay trip to the beach. Comment down below to let us know. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye!